Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to this free accounting basics series. This is a free accounting course presented by me, the Bookkeeping Master. There will be 3 videos in this series, and this is video 1 of that 3-part series. So who am I? I am the Bookkeeping Master. I am a highly experienced and qualified bookkeeper and accountant. I teach everything there is about bookkeeping, accounting, finance. If you're interested in any of those things, then head over to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com. There are countless courses that cover the basics of bookkeeping, accounting, business planning, credit control, running businesses. You know, if it's something to do with bookkeeping, accounting or finance, I've likely got a course about it. The first thing to mention about this accounting basics course is this is not a bookkeeping course. If you want to learn bookkeeping, especially double entry bookkeeping, then just head over to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com. If you click on free stuff, you'll see at the top here we have Learn Bookkeeping. This course is all for free. It will teach you the basics of bookkeeping. Learn Accounting, this is the course that you're currently doing. If you head over to my website, you can watch this series on this link here. Sometimes it's better to watch it on the website because you can watch the videos in order. That's not necessarily the case on YouTube. Sometimes it doesn't recommend the next video in line. Okay, so this is not a bookkeeping course. Who is this course for? So if you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, a company director, if you are a student, especially some sort of finance student, accounting student, bookkeeping student, if you already know about bookkeeping and accounting, then this course is great as a refresher. If you are a bookkeeper, an accountant, or just have a general interest in these things, if you're looking to start a business, then this course is for you. It will teach you the basics of bookkeeping and accounting. It's also for people who are bored and have nothing to do and are video surfing on YouTube. I welcome those people too. Everyone is welcome and everyone will benefit from this course. So what will you learn? In this 3-part series, I will cover basic financial terms. So terms that are used in the business world, in the accounting world, in the bookkeeping and finance world. These are very basic terms like sales, expenses, overheads, turnover, revenue, those sort of things. We'll look at slightly more complex terms too, like equity, assets, liabilities, that sort of thing. We'll also look into sole traders, limited companies, what the difference are between those things. Basic accounting principles will be covered in the course. Financial statement basics, so being able to understand what a profit and loss statement is and what it shows you. Also what a balance sheet is. Those terms are used a lot in business and in accounting, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, but lots of people don't know what these things are, especially the balance sheet, and they don't know how to interpret the balance sheet. They don't understand what it's showing them. If you are a business owner, it's really vital that you understand these things. If you're looking to invest in a business, these things are vital to understand and interpret. Throughout this course too, I will be giving various finance, bookkeeping and accounting insights, and there will be more things covered in the course. So this is a quick introduction. In the next video, we'll jump into financial terms and I'll start explaining financial terms to you. And just a reminder that this is the basics. Once you've taken this course, if you head over to my website, there's plenty more free courses that will be more extensive and can build on this course. This is really the foundational course for bookkeeping, accounting and finance. So thank you so much for being with me, and I'll speak to you in the next video.